Do you need to offer specific time slots that aren't based solely on availability and service duration? If your working schedule is 9 to 5 and the service duration is 1 hour, the default available slots are displayed every hour. Appointment at fixed time lets you set a specific interval or configure available times that can be customized per service. Let's navigate to the Custom Features page to enable Appointment at Fixed Time. Click Settings to configure your openings. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a preview of time slots allowed by the current configuration. Ensure the schedules you've configured in Settings include all of the times you want to be available. You can set up fixed times for all services or for specific services by choosing them in the drop-down menu. Choose a start hour or use the drop-down menu to set specific hours. Currently, I'm using a 30-minute time frame, so I can offer exact hour and half-past openings. I can choose to only offer half-past openings, for example. To use different time increments, change the time frame in Settings main configuration. To use a set interval for booking slots, switch the minutes mode to multiple and choose from the available intervals. Make sure to save changes. Finally, to ensure Appointment at Fixed Time works properly, use the Modern or Slots Weekly timeline in Settings, Design Settings. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.